everyone, and welcome to the show for the love of food. I'm your host Samar Aslam. As promised, we take you to a unique place every time and tantalize your taste buds. And today is no different as we discover the heavenly spread from Lebanon. Join me as I take you on this culinary journey. A lot of emails have been pouring into us to do a show on Lebanese food. So here we are at Kebabji at the Sheraton Karachi. It's affordable, it's in the heart of the city, and if you're looking for the most authentic and genuine cuisine, this is the right place. So here I am inside the kitchen where all the action happens.
Welcome.
Hello, how are you?
Fine, how are you doing?
While the food's being cooked, I'll be actually asking him something about the Lebanese culture as well, you know, because I'm very inquisitive about the food, and so am I about the culture. So, what are we making today, Chef Karim?
Now I have to make some tabbouleh.
Okay.
Is
which is?
appetizer, very famous appetizer.
Okay, so tabbouleh is like going to be our appetizer for the day.
Yeah.
And just tabbouleh?
Just tabbouleh, yeah.
Okay. Tabbouleh is like an appetizer that's served before any Lebanese
kind of
cuisine?
salad appetizer.
Okay.
This is very famous in Lebanon.
So it's served with
Without
any Lebanese cuisine?
that means nothing.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So let's begin with the tabbouleh. That is very essential, you know.
Okay, we have now the onion.
Okay.
Very fine.
Right.
Okay.
So while the onions are being chopped,
Yeah.
this little thing that I just got to know about Lebanese cuisine, you know,
Yeah.
that it has the sophistication and the subtleties of the European cuisine mixed with some exotic ingredients of the Middle East. And this particular colorful cuisine is actually the essence of the Mediterranean diet.
Now it's
So the onions are actually chopped for the tabbouleh. They're finely chopped, right?
Yeah.
Just one onion.
That onion. We have the chopped parsley.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we have freshly green chopped parsley.
Freshly green parsley. And we have a chopped tomato.
Okay. So in goes some chopped tomatoes.
Chopped tomato.
Well, everything's so fresh, you know, about Lebanese. It's colorful.
This is the main thing, you know, everything fresh. You can prepare it in the same minute.
And you can actually see, you know, the colors within the palette.
We have this burger. Burger is crushed meat.
So you can prepare it and refrigerate as well?
Yeah.
Is it used for several salads?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
So this crushed wheat could be used for several salads for Lebanese cuisine.
We have the
chopped
mint.
coriander?
Mint.
Mint, okay. Fresh mint.
Fresh mint, chopped fresh mint.
So in goes more green, fresh
more
mint.
green. That means we have all now green, all fresh parsley.
Okay, so chopped onions, chopped tomatoes,
and
burghul, which is the crushed wheat,
yeah,
and some chopped onions, of course. So
little bit of salt.
some slight salt actually.
Yeah, that's good.
But you don't use much spices in it.
No, we don't have any spicy food
We don't.
in Lebanon.
Yeah.
No.
So it's just the salt.
Just the salt and white pepper.
I think salt is enough to season any kind of food.
Yeah. But lemon juice.
Okay, some lemon juice inside.
Yeah. And olive oil.
So every dressing of yours
olive oil, yes.
is actually done with
And
olive oil.
usually with the salad, you use olive oil.
Olive oil, right.
So now we mix. Okay, fine. That is it.
So now the presentation bit actually.
Yeah.
Just a cabbage leaf we've used for the presentation, which actually looks,
Usually
again, green and fresh, you know,
The cabbage is
to retain the freshness of the salad. Wow. So it's served in a portion.
That's a portion.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's not usually served in a huge bowl or anything.
This one.
So here we are, putting in more tomatoes, I guess.
Some tomato for garnish.
Okay.
Some lemon for the garnish, lemon slice.
So just salt in it.
Yeah.
No other spices to ruin the freshness and the green. So here we are, ready with the tabbouleh,
How's it look nice?
and it looks
Tasty and healthy.
you know, it looks like seeing all the food in here, you know. It seems like a celebration in itself, you know. It's so fresh, it's colorful, and I'm sure it must be as delicious as it looks. So while we go and prepare our main course and we decide what's going to be cooked, you guys take a short break and come back.
Yeah.